Welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today I'm going to make the stir-fried shrimp with chives. The Chinese chives are always good with shrimps. I have another video making Chinese chive pockets with shrimp. I will put the link by the end of this video. The ingredients are very simple: shrimps, chives, green bean sprouts, pepper, oyster sauce, and salt. $200 grams of deveined shrimps, marinated with 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of wet pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. I didn't use any soy sauce in this recipe. This is to keep the dish beautiful light color. 150 grams of chives cut into about 1.5 inches long. Turn on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Grind 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Stir fry till the ginger turns light brown. Add shrimps. Cook on one side about 30 seconds. Then flip over for another 30 seconds. Cook till the shrimp turns red and curly. Now add bean sprout first. Then add chive leaves. Stir fry quickly. At this moment you want to keep the high heat and move the wok as quick as possible to make sure that all the ingredients can receive the heat evenly. This takes about 1 minute, then it's done. If you enjoyed this video or like my channel, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.